Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm following another beauty guru's makeup tutorial. I said that so weirdly, what the hell? You can tell I haven't filmed a video in a while, can't you? I haven't filmed in a week because I've been so sick. Yeah, I haven't filmed a video in 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, a week and a half probably, because I've just been so sick. Then I had to go see my sister in Bristol, so I just got back from Bristol literally 30 minutes ago. Basically, I'm going to be following another beauty guru's makeup tutorial today, because obviously I did James Charles a few weeks ago, and you guys seem to really enjoy that. So today I'm going to be doing NIKKIETutorials, which is going to be a challenge. You guys might notice I still have a little bit of mascara on, just because I couldn't be bothered to take it off, and I'll just have to put more mascara on, so I was like, oh well. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy this video, remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, if you are new, please do subscribe before you leave, and turn on my little post notifications as well, because then you'll get notified every single time I post a new video, and goals, am I right? Let's just jump straight into it. I have all the stuff I think I'm gonna need here. If I need anything else, I'll just go into my little cupboard there. The tutorial I'm gonna be recreating is the how to slay your holiday makeup look. I'll put a photo of it up on the screen right now. But yeah, let's see how this goes. She is insane at makeup, and I've watched this tutorial before, and it's not the easiest of tutorials, I guess. So it's gonna be a challenge, but we shall see how it goes. Okay, so she is mixing the Iconic London illuminator drop things. I don't have those, but I have the Cover FX Custom Enhancer drops in the shade Sunlight, and then she mixed it with strobe cream in the Silverlight shade, but I only have Gold Light, so I'm gonna use these two, and I'm just gonna apply this on my face. Did she use a brush to blend this out? I don't know how much of this she applied, so I'm just applying that much. By the way, I'm sorry about my spot. I never get spots, and I'm so annoyed that I've got one. Do you know what it's from? I slept in my makeup the other day. I'm telling you, that's what it's from. She blends this in with a brush. I think she's using a Real Techniques brush. I'm just gonna use whatever brush I feel like. So she put these on the Instagram way, dropping it down her face. I have no idea how much of this she applied. I don't like to apply too much of this, but it looks like Nikki applied quite a bit, so. Hers are a slightly different shade to mine. Mine are more sort of golden, as you guys can see. Hers are more sort of white. I might just use my Real Techniques blush brush to blend this in. I haven't used this brush in so long, but it was right next to me, so I was like, might as well use it. I never do this, by the way, guys, applying my liquid highlighter under my foundation. I always mix it in. So trying new techniques. Guys, I have the funnest video coming up. I've planned it. I know what I want to do, and I'm so excited. I just have to wait on something, which is happening on Thursday. And then after that, I can film it for you guys, and I think it'll be really funny. I don't know if it's going to work very well, but I just think it's quite a funny video idea. I don't want to tell you guys what it is, but I'm just really excited for it. So yeah, look out for that. I also filmed a makeup tutorial the other day on a sunset eye makeup kind of, but I don't know if this is gonna go up first before that. Okay, that is all blended in. Okay, so she mixes her Huda Beauty with her Jouer, and I have both of those, but the Jouer one is not anywhere near my skin color, as you guys will have seen from one of my previous makeup tutorials that I did a while ago now, but I used it and it was just so pale on me. This is actually a bit dark for me, so if I mix them, it might actually create quite a good shade, but I have no idea where I put my Jouer one now because I just never use it. So I'm just gonna use my Huda Beauty one as it is, just alone. This is a lot of foundation, by the way, guys. Nikki likes a full coverage base. I'm pretty sure she'll be using a beauty blender. Yeah, okay, she's using her beauty blender. I thought she would. She always uses her beauty blender. See, but this is what I don't understand, because I'm just covering up all the highlighter with this thick foundation. Oh my god. It's so funny because of my fake tan. I literally change skin color when I apply foundation. I know Nikki doesn't apply it on her eyelids, but I just like to have a little bit of base on there. I don't know why. It does actually make them crease a little bit, so I should probably stop doing that, but I just quite like to do it, you know? Yeah, how have you guys been? I feel like I haven't filmed a video in so long. I just got foundation all up in my hair, but let's ignore that because I'm washing it tonight anyway. Yeah, how have you guys been the past week or so? I'm sorry I didn't upload. My YouTube game has been weak. I was really sick. I've never been that sick in my life. I literally thought I was gonna die. I'm not being over dramatic, well I kind of am, but I literally thought I was gonna die. I look so weird right now. I've got foundation all up in my eyebrows. You can tell I'm tired as hell, but I'm filming. I'm not quite sure this is the best time to try to follow a NIKKIETutorials makeup tutorial, who's a makeup guru, queen. Okay, so she used the NARS Soft Matte Concealer, which you guys know is my all-time favorite concealer. Have it right here. Mine is in the shade Custard, and I'm gonna apply this under my eyes with my beauty blender. I think she used a brush and then blended it out with her beauty blender, but I don't have a brush like the right size, so I'm using my beauty blender. I'm also going to apply this on my eyelids as a base. This is such a full coverage concealer. I love it. Like, I prefer it to the Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, I don't have the Maybelline loose powder thing, but I'm going to use my RCMA No Color Powder because you guys know it's my favorite and I just got it everywhere. So I'm going to bake that. Nikki isn't doing this, but I'm just going to bake my smile lines because I have to, guys. I'm sorry. Like, I genuinely have to. It will crease so bad and it just won't look cute, so I'm baking my smile lines. I'm going to also set my eyelids because I know Nikki does this. She just does it later because she uses like different concealer to like prime her eyes with, or like soft matte paint pot. Not soft matte, prolong wear paint pot in soft ochre. She said there's going to be stages where you're like, oh my god, what did I do? Girl! Girl! Yeah, the reason I chose this tutorial is because I actually have like the palette that she uses, so obviously I wanted to use it. So she went in with this shade here. She hasn't transitioned. That's okay. Even though I do like 50 transition shades, we'll work with it. We'll try. Fuck. This looks so hard already. Okay, she looks like she picked up that product, like picked it up. So I'm going in on this eye. Oh my god. Okay, she basically put that over her whole eyelid. So, I mean, wherever we put it is basically right? What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my god. You know the James Charles one? I was sort of like, okay. Right now I'm like, what am I doing? Oh my god, I look like a mess. Open mind, open mind. Does she blend this? Okay, so this isn't really clean, but it's almost clean, so I'm gonna use this one. Yeah, no, this is going patchy. I need more of that original eyeshadow, so... I never go in with shades this dark in my crease. So just blend that through, I guess, is what we're doing. Listening to Nikki. You know what? I trust Nikki because Nikki's makeup is insane. But I feel like she's quite a lot better at makeup than I am. And like basically 100% of the population. We are just gonna try and follow what she does. Hi Panda Eyes, how's your day going? I was just blending that out so harshly. Oops. Oh my god, it's looking so splotchy. I feel you on that one, Nikki. I feel you. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye quick. I never do my eyeshadow like this. Probably a reason why. I don't know if I have the skill to do this technique, honestly. Right now all I'm going is, oh my god, it's looking so splotchy. So then she went in with this shade right here. I'm taking this on a Morphe Y18 brush, and she sort of applied this like right here. She said this is one of the stages where you're like, oh my god, this looks so splotchy. But hers didn't look as splotchy as mine does right now. So that's a thing, but oh well. We're gonna work with it. We're gonna try make it work. We're gonna listen to Nikki. I trust Nikki, even though oh my god, look at that. That's a mess. My eyeshadows never looked this messy, I don't think. Did my James Charles one go like this? I think I was just stressed out in that one because he was like talking really fast. She said we're gonna be fine. Okay, Nikki, I believe you.
But you can see that in some spots, the dark brown looks a little splotchy or ashy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back in with the dark brown to kind of reinforce it.
Okay. So we're going back in with the dark brown. I'm gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. I mean, you'll just be able to see my mistakes more, but oh well. Have you guys ever seen my eyeshadow looking like this? Probably not, and if you have, then you should have told a bitch. Because I've never seen my eyeshadow looking like this. I mean, it did go a bit patchy when I was doing my Dua Lipa makeup tutorial, but I fixed it. But it wasn't like this. I don't feel like there's any coming back from this. But Nikki looked so flippin' snatched to the gods. So we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna power through, okay? I don't have the MAC Select cover up. I have the MAC Pro Longwear though, so I might just use that. So we're stamping the brush down and dragging it towards the lid, as Nikki said. I'm not gonna talk when I'm doing this because I think this is gonna be really hard. Never mind not talking, I just forgot to breathe. Fuck. Okay, so she's going back in with the dark brown shade. So I'm gonna do that as well. And she's putting it on the eyelid, sort of lash line area, I mean. I'm going to apply the same shade that Nikki is, which is that shade from the Morphe palette. That original shade is still a little bit patchy, and it's really annoying me. Sorry about how focused I'm being, guys. I'm being really quiet just because I'm focusing. Okay, so she used a pigment on like the top half. I don't have that pigment, and I don't really have anything very similar, so I'm going to go in with this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Gold Digger, I think this one is. It's not very similar, but it's all that I have, so. Okay, I'm going to use this brush, which is broken. It's from like this Real Techniques like set, but it's broken. I'm going to go back in with the first shade that we used because it's a little bit patchy still. Okay, that's better. This eye turned out a whole bunch better than this eye. This eyeshadow is just low-key really patchy on the outer corner of my eye. Really annoying me. Oh my god, hers looks so much better than mine! Oh my god, I look like awful. What the fuck? Okay, I'm fixing this off of camera. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I kind of fixed it. I'm hoping this look is gonna look better with lashes. I'm praying. I mean, I did everything Nikki told me to do. This is making me question every like time I thought I was like half decent at makeup. I'm like, am I actually? Probably not. Like, where's my eyeliner though? That is the $1 million question. I can't find my bloody eyeliner now. I've got eyeliner. Let's go. So she's putting this all in her waterline and then. Okay, and then she blended that out. Sorry, my eyes are watering so badly. She blended that out with the black eyeshadow from the Morphe palette. You don't want to drag this too far down, otherwise it will look weird. So keep it quite tight to the lash line. At least that's what I'm doing. I don't like this. Hers looks so much better than mine. I'm like losing all hope. I'm praying lashes save it. Do you know what? I went into this pretty confident. I was like, you know what? If I work with it, I might be able to do it. Fuck no. Like, I mean, it could have gone worse, 100%, but it could have gone so much better. I mean, to be fair, I've never done this technique before, so. And this eyeshadow is so flippin' patchy. Do you guys see there's this one patch right here and it just won't. I put so much eyeshadow on it, and this eyeshadow just, ugh. See, do you see? I pack it on and it looks fine, and then it just goes. I don't know where the flip it goes, but it disappears. Okay, so she's highlighting her inner corner. I don't have that shade, but I actually think the Artist Couture highlighter that I use, like the one for my eyelid, will be quite a good match, so I'm gonna go get that quick. Okay, so I'm just highlighting my inner corners. I'm gonna spray this with some Fix Plus, just because it's a loose pigment, so these tend to stick a lot better when you spray them with Fix Plus. I'm going to apply my Goddesses by Lily Lashes, and I'm going to be right back with you when they are on, because you guys know I don't like applying lashes on camera. Okay, so my lashes are on. Remind me to never follow a NIKKIETutorials makeup tutorial ever again. Like, ever. I'm going to zoom you guys out a little bit. Okay, what does she do next? Because I'm over this bitch. Not calling NIKKIETutorials a bitch, I'm saying like this makeup tutorial is a bitch. She looks so pretty. Okay, so she's using Hoola Light, but that's too light on my skin tone. So I'm gonna use the original Hoola bronzer. I'm gonna use this on my MAC 135 brush. I keep staring at this makeup look and I'm just like, why did I try to do this? All my makeup confidence is gone, bitch. Gone. I feel like NIKKIETutorials really is just like such a queen. Like, how the flip did she do that? I mean, it doesn't look awful, mine, I don't think. I don't know. I feel like it could definitely look better. Okay, so she's applying blush, but I hate blush, you guys know, so I'm gonna skip that step. Okay, so she's using her highlighter with Ofra, which I have too light on my skin tone. What's new here? I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter because this is just my favorite, like ever, basically. It's stunning. I want my ABH brush, but I don't know where it is and I can't be bothered to get up, so that might not be happening. We're gonna use our Morphe brush because my Anastasia brush is in my bathroom. I want to glow today. I've decided. Glow so that they don't notice what the hell is going on in my eyes. Glowy, glowy, glow, glow, glow. I'm glowing. I'm glowing like a glowing goddess. Almost done. I'm so excited for this to be done. You guys don't even understand. Jouer lip cream in Buff and Papaya. Okay, I don't have any shades like that. I'm gonna look in my cupboard and see what I can find. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna apply the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Child Star. Okay, probably too light for me. Where have my lips gone? going to apply Jouer Skinny Dip over top of that. I think this is too nude. Is this too nude? Maybe. Okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me struggling to recreate NIKKIETutorials makeup tutorial. It's not my best work, definitely not my best work, but I mean, it is what it is, I guess. I mean, it could be worse, like a lot worse. I tried my best. This is what it looks like. Let me know how you guys think I did in the comments below, but please don't be too harsh. I tried my best. Yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video with all your friends. And yeah, follow me on all my social medias, because all my social medias are linked in the description box. As always, you guys know by now. I think that's all I have to say for today. I'm so sorry I've been inactive these past few weeks, but as I said, I was like deathly sick. Like literally, I thought I was gonna die. Not making excuses, but I mean, I almost died. Well, I didn't almost die, but I thought I might die. Okay, I can stop being over dramatic now. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's videos. Oh my god, I can't speak. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I love you guys so much. Have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and mwah, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.
Till you find your way back home.